Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you how I made an Arabic beat in Cubase 10.5. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna start this beat with a mandolin sound. I've already loaded up this mandolin here. It sounds really good. I have this melodic idea in my mind, so I'm gonna just play that for you. Okay, now let me record that. Okay, now I'm gonna need my best friend's help, Mr. Quantize. I'm not gonna quantize 100%, I'm gonna add little swings to it. I'm gonna increase the length of this note here. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna add kick. Kick sounds good with the mandolin. Now I'm gonna add snare. I want the snare to sound dirty a little bit. So I got this snare sound here. It's dirty the way I want it. Yeah, check it out. Now I've added second snare, and for this snare I want it to sound more cleaner than the first snare. Okay, now I'm gonna add hi-hat, and for hi-hat I want a dirty hi-hat as well. Okay, let me adjust this velocity. And I've added an open hi-hat. Okay, now let's bring in big badass 808. Okay, now let's hear the full drums with 808. Now it's time for me to add an exotic counter melody. Check it out. Now let's hear the drums, 808 and the mandolin together. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the beat, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification and smash that like button. I'm gonna be posting more videos every day, so stay tuned for more beats and music production tutorial from me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.